So, good morning, honorable present here. 23 CST 201 Database Management System, second year, fourth semester, topic file or system organization. So, in oldest method, we have using this file organization. Example, banking, healthcare department, and institutions and education institutions. um, After that, we can use in many of the industry, we can follow this one. So we go for next one. Some of the method we can implement it in a process. For example, main objective of file system organization, optimal selection record. That is, record should be accessed as fast as possible. And any insert, update, or deleted on record should be easy and quick and should not harm other records. No duplicate records should be indicated as a result, inserted, updated, or deleted. And records should be stored effectively and efficiency, so the cost storage is minimal. One of the example, we will take a library. For example, I'm going to enter the library and I want any books. I have using author name or book name or publisher name or such. I mean, sorry, date, year of the book, year of the book. So easy find out. For example, box number 100, rack number 1, software engineering. Rack number 101, rack 2, software quality assurance. This is a way easy find out where is my book. So after that, I'm going to, once I scan it, I enter my library and take a book and send to librarian. After the librarian, scan my barcode and enter the particular ID number. So easiest way, where is my book? Where is, when will you return? All details are stored particular my ID number. This is a way to easy monitor and control of file organization of my books in the in library. So this is a way to organize books in library. Okay, thank you. One of the example. We can go to next one. So this is a method to file organization structure. So file organization structure, we have using three method. One is sequential, indexed, and direct. So sequential blocks index. One is ISAM, hardware dependent, VSAM, hardware independent, and non-sequential full indexed, and relative address, hash addressed. So this is a method to following in file system organization. So this is a definition about sequential file organization. This is a sequential file organization is typically used in procedural languages and programming such global languages. And direct file organization, the organization permit direct access to individual records without scanning any other records. There are two types of direct file organization. One is hashed address and another relative address in the area. And hash address individual records are accessed by converting the logical key value into the relative record numbers. Sometimes I'm going to enter the library or enter the hospital means. So I can show my I am inpatient. Inpatient means I can show my ID card and already records are kept in medical room. So first I have entered the reception. I'm going to show my ID card number. The members can enter and after the person can go to medical record room and get my patient records. And after completion, return back to same place. You can keep it my record in the record means sent to back after completion the record sent to back same place. This means medical record room. This is one of the way to maintain based on my ID number. So relative address is individual records are accessed by using logical key value that is equivalent to the relative record numbers. For example, my ID numbers. So file index file organization, this is a hybrid approach allowing both sequential processing, though not efficiently as sequential organization, and individual record processing, though not efficiently as direct file organizations. So this is a way to keep the record in the sectors. And non-sequential file index, the indexed approach has a entry for every record in the file. So this is a way to identify in the area. So sequence block index, this index approach allow an index entry to represent a block of records and by shorting an index value because the multiple logical records may fit into the single physical record sectors. So an indexed sequence access method, ISAM, index approach is one where index structure are linked directly to the actual structures. So of the disk drive in the number of volumes, cylinders, tracks per cylinder and sectors per tracks. So virtual sequential address indexed approach one where the indexed structures independent disk drive architecture therefore more flexible and though it to the slower in the process. So this is one of the method for a sequential organization. So this file is called sequential file when it is contained records and arranged in a sequential fashion. For example, we will take a library. I am entered into the library. My records means books are stored in the particular way, starting from record one, starting alphabetic order of. For example, as a Department of Computer Science means so record of A, starting from starting architecture books. Architecture books are stored in record one. And B, blockchain technology or batch processing books are stored in record number two. Three, C, cache memory books or general books are stored in record three. Here we have n number of files that here is available. Suppose you have added a new record can be added only to the end of the file. Sometimes we have misunderstanding store in the area so that you can end of the file, you can store the new record process. Sometimes if you want to particular enter into the third record or second record means, so check your availability. After that, you can enter into the that one. Maximum, you can enter the file, you can store your new records. So this is advantage and disadvantages. Simplicity, less overhead. Disadvantages, difficult in searching and lack of support of frequency and problem with record and deletions. So this is one of the example, book number 001. Next by name author 003, you can store here. Here we have store here and the 10 here store here. This is a pointers. We have find out the pointers. So if I am going to enter the library, particular author is William Stallings. So I'm enter into the search box William. Just I give a first name is William means we have so many records are available. I can give a space and give a second name Stallings and means you can show only 10 books. You can choose any one of the books and verified and check your rack number, box number 100 or R1, rack number 1, book number is 20. So 20 the book is available. This is a way to identify pointer organization. So pointers is a record as a special field who values in the address and reference of another record in the same files. So this is another one, choosing a string 001, money 002. So keep it the book record, basic condition of alphabetic order. So 001, after that continuation 002. This is called indexed one. The indexed table record arrange in particular fusion and quick access of data. For example, we will take my ID number. My ID number or patient inpatient ID number, outpatient ID number. Whenever I enter the hospital, I can show a patient ID number and easily first you can register. After that, the person can go to medical record room. After that, get the detail and particular after once verify whether you record this is your record. After then, yes, from customer side. After the record sent to particular doctor side and verify the doctors get appointment. After that, verify the doctors and give the description. And the record can be kept in kept or returned back to same medical record rooms. So next time you will come, you can same process to continue in hospital sections. This is a way easily arrange your data. So this is This break find your differences. Okay, we go next one. So this is the way of next one. Direct organization. So we have different two type of process. One is non-hash function, another hash function, and non-hash file based on its record number slot, and hash function hash file the record number itself become an equivalent of the primary key. So this is a direct organization. This organization permit the direct access to the file in records without scanning any other records. All records in the direct file are area of the same size. Every record has been associated the record number. The record number serve the same purpose as a primary key is in an indexed file. So this is the evolution list of the type of file organization. We have three type of process: sequence, indexed, and direct. Thank you.